Guys, we made the witch's frickin' stew. We made a video about adding the glue, but I deleted that because she ended it.
I didn't mean to. I'm sorry.
Don't say anything about my YouTube video. Everybody knows about my YouTube channel. My parents don't know, but I love it. Now all I have to do is open this glue.
Oh, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. So liquidy and droppity and all that stuff. This is called dragon spit.
Mine's called the witch's brew.
Mine's called the goblin shake.
Emma's is called disgusting crap.
That's on the internet. Just kidding. Can you open this for me, Mr.
Gosell.
Mr. Gosell?
We need help.
Larry!
Larry.
I have a grandpa named Larry.
Do you?
Yeah.
You have some green stuff on your chin.
Don't make fun of me about my green stuff. I was born with it. I'm a witch.
So this is mostly this, is that right?
Nope.
We first were
Where'd
gonna
this
make.
come from?
Emma says
But
she
first
doesn't
we're gonna
use
make like pretty much homemade Play-Doh, except we couldn't find the cornstarch, so we used salt instead.
It would be
made
way
it-
better if
and we
we
made
didn't
it
have
all
all
liquid.
this stuff in it first.
Do you need cornstarch?
Yeah.
We can't find the cornstarch though.
This isn't gonna end well. Try to make slime with Sophia, Emma, and Aubrey. It's a
Every time I try to make it at Emma's house, it always fails.
Like, look at this. So beautiful.
Oh my god, that looks like dragon spit.
I know, right? That's why I called it that.
Also, mine's dragon spit.
Ooh, the cornstarch.
Mine's actually kind of turning into it. It's just
Mr. Can I
the liquid's kind of not going into it.
Oh my god, yours is turning out way better than ours.
Let me show the cameras.
Looks like snot.
Can I be second? Thank you. We're gonna try this.
Yes, please.
How did you find the cornstarch?
Yes. Hello. Yes. I am.
It's cornstarch.
Not yet. Yeah, I just got home.
Ooh, it's actually turning out kind of slimy. Fluffy.
Look at mine, Emma.
Okay.
I want to just pick it up and squish it,
Yeah.
but
Okay.
I'm scared it's gonna dye my hand.
It says that I was an actress. I just
Mine said
So we tried
architect
everything,
and
and this is my witch's.
construction.
Then
said
that means
what?
they didn't see
Architect
you
and
show Emma.
construction.
Wow.
Oh my god. Okay, Emma, can I please see yours?
I'll put you to work.
Mine is- mine is goblin chili.
Designer.
Well, that
Mine is
sounds
witch's
like a
brew,
good idea.
and this is Emma's.
What is it?
It's
Do- do-
diarrhea.
It's
Dragon
Dragon.
spit.
It's dragon's diarrhea.
It's
Can I get
dragon
this?
spit.
Yeah. It's dragon diarrhea. Get it right, Pete.
So what's everyone's plan for the evening?
We want to freeze this, and then I'm gonna go die in a hole.
You know what?
Nothing.
Sophie says she wants to freeze it. I'm like, that's gonna
I
end
think that's
well.
not gonna work.
I don't think that's gonna help.
I think it's gonna help. Well,
I think it's gonna help.
So, okay. So then after, I mean, what kind of is your parents picking you up? You need rides home? What times? I'm just kind of curious.
I'll text my mom what time
Mom
I need
was
to be
in a
home,
meeting.
and
Well-
if I need to be picked up or dropped off.
Okay.
I should probably just live here.
Well, that's probably not gonna happen.
Oh.
I got my.
Just be homeless.
I'm gonna have. This is my.
We can trade for a while.
We're the three
before
witches.
Taking an extra one.
Me, the girl, Aubrey,
I want to eat
the
this.
lion, and Emma.
Lucy.
Three wishes.
I wanna eat this so bad.
Why?
I don't know. I
It
just
just
want to
looks
see how
so-
it tastes.
I recommend that you don't.
Ready? I didn't eat any.
We are the three witches, and this is what we make
Okay,
it.
here's 3.
Sorry about this video.